फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल मस्के सर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, माझ्या चॅनलवर तुमचं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. सो इन टुडेज व्हिडिओ वी आर गोइंग टू सी वॉर्मिंग अप ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप and language study activities of the lesson The Two Gentlemen of Verona of 8th class. So before we start our video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel if you are still new to on my channel. So let's get started. Begin with some of the warming up activities, which includes chit chat. Question 1. What is your favorite pastime? So you are free to write your own answers. My favorite pastime is reading my favorite books. Do you read books for entertainment? No, I never read books for entertainment. What is your favorite story, poem, book? My favorite book is Wings of Fire. What role do books on the lives of great people play? की जे काही ग्रेट लोक आहेत त्यांच्या जीवनामध्ये चांगल्या पुस्तकांची भूमिका नेमकी काय होती? आन्सर. बुक्स प्ले अन इम्पॉर्टंट रोल ऑन द लाईव्स ऑफ ग्रेट पीपल. बुक्स ऑलवेज इन्स्पायर, मोटिवेट अँड टीच देम द लेसन्स ऑफ लाईफ. सो मेनी बुक्स बिकेम अ टर्निंग पॉइंट इन द लाईव्स ऑफ ग्रेट people. How can we decide if a story is average, good or excellent? की एखादी स्टोरी सरासरी आहे का चांगली आहे का खूपच सुंदर आहे, सर्वोत्तम आहे, असं आपण कसं ठरवू शकतो? आन्सर. We can decide whether the story is average, good or excellent after considering following points. Number 1. The language of the story, theme of the story, and sometimes the subject of the story. Next question. A book review is an analysis of a newly published book by an expert who expresses his or her opinion about the content, style and merits. की एक बुक रिव्ह्यू, पुस्तकाची समीक्षा म्हणजे काय असते, त्याचं एक डिटेल ॲनालिसिस असते की एकदा नवीन प्रकाशित झालेल्या पुस्तकाचं एका एक्सपर्ट व्यक्तीद्वारे. सो बुक रिव्ह्यूज आर पब्लिश्ड इन न्यूजपेपर्स, मॅगझिन्स अँड आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल ऑनलाईन. मेक सुटेबल ग्रुप्स इन द क्लास, डिसाइड अपॉन अ फेवरेट बुक और स्टोरी इन द फॉलोइंग डिटेल्स as many as possible. Name of the story book, The Jungle Book. Writer, Rudyard Kipling. Some information about the writer. Rudyard Kipling was an English journalist, short story writer, poet and novelist, born in Mumbai in 1860 by one of the most popular writers in the late 19th and early 20th century, and was the first English writer to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907 at the age of 42. Background or setting. The story of the Jungle Book is set in a forest called Sioni, located in Madhya Pradesh, India. Main characters. Mowgli, the young jungle boy, Akela, Bagheera, Balu, Sher Khan and other monkeys, Kaa, Hathi, Rikki, Tikki, Tavi. So there are so many characters in the story. Central idea, summary of the contents. The story is about an abandoned boy in the jungle who was raised by a pack of owls and taught the laws of the jungle. The theme centers on the idea of freedom, survival, obedience, discipline, and knowing one's place in a society away from civilization. Style and language used. The author uses the narrative styles of writing. He presents the story from the main character, Mowgli's point of view. The vocabulary used in the book has a lot of words from the Indian languages. Since children are the target audience for the book, the author uses simple language in order to connect with the readers. Illustrations, if any. The book has a lot of illustrations that are used to introduce characters and show important plot points. Strong positive aspects. The author tries to convey strong morals through the story that helps the children understand their importance and practice them in their lives. The way that animals speak the language used by humans help the children to connect with them. The book conveys messages that one should learn to adjust to one's surrounding. One should not be afraid to try new things and that one should face one's fears. Drawbacks. So I don't think there are any drawbacks in the story. Conclusion. The book makes for a great read for children of all ages as it compromises of a variety of themes. The plot is unique and the story is truly interesting. All in all, the book does complete justice its name and the premise. तर हा एक बुक रिव्ह्यू होता. तर आपण वाचलेलं कोणतंही पुस्तक आपण घेऊन अशा प्रकारे त्याचा रिव्ह्यू करू शकतो, त्याची समीक्षा करू शकतो. सो सम ऑफ द मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स. व्हॉट इज द स्टोरी अबाउट? द स्टोरी इज अबाउट द टू ब्रदर्स who do numerous kinds of things to earn money only to pay their sister's treatment who was suffering from tuberculosis of spine. How does the narrator meet the two brothers? The narrator meets the two brothers when he was driving down the foothills of the Alps and the two brothers were selling wild strawberries. What kind of odd jobs do the two brothers do? The two brothers were always ready to do numerous kinds of things such as shining the shoes in the public square, selling wild strawberries on the foothills of the Alps, selling newspaper in the stormy night. How does the narrator help the two brothers one day? की एक दिवस निवेदकाने त्या दोन्ही भावंडांना कशा प्रकारे मदत केली? Answer. One day in a stormy night, the boys wanted to go their village Polita, so they asked the narrator to give them a lift. Although it did not come in the narrator's way, he took them there. कशा प्रकारे मदत केली? तर एका खूप वादळ सुटलेल्या रात्री मुलांनी त्या दोन्ही भावंडांनी लेखकाला विनंती केली की त्यांच्या जवळच्याच जो पोलेटा नावाचं गाव होतं त्या ठिकाणी घेऊन जाण्याची. मग ते गाव जरी लेखकाच्या वाटेत नसलं तरी त्यांनी तिथपर्यंत त्यांना लिफ्ट देऊन त्या ठिकाणी त्यांना सोडलं. What secret about the brothers does the nurse tell the narrator? की त्यांच्याबद्दल जे काही गुपित होतं ते गुपित त्या नर्सने लेखकाला कशा प्रकारे सांगितलं? The nurse tells the narrator their heart-rending story to that their father was killed in the war and their home was destroyed in the war. Their sister was suffering from tuberculosis of spine. They lived in a shelter and literally starved so that they could pay for their sister's treatment. Explain the proverb where there is a will there is a way. इथं थोडंसं आपल्याला एक्सप्लेन करायचे, एक्सपॅन्ड करायचे या ठिकाणी. Where there is a will, there is a way is a saying that tells the importance of a strong determination. If we have faith in ourselves and a determination to overcome every odd that we may face in our life, then we can do anything. Situation doesn't matter, whatever it may be, we face it with great courage and determination and find the way to overcome it. That is why our will must be stronger than our skill. English workshop. Complete the following. Number 1. Cronin's story focuses on selfless help and the importance of dedication towards a relationship. Number 2. The narrator bought the biggest basket of wild fruits to encourage the two brothers. So answers are already underlined. Number 3. The narrator develops a liking for the two brothers because they are innocent, serious, pleasant, and earnest. The boys wish to visit the village Poleta to see their sister who was suffering from tuberculosis of a spine. Next, so one can conclude from the story that where there is a will, there is a way, which means if we wish to do anything with great determination and courage, we can do anything. Solve the puzzle of words from the text. The clues are given below. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी क्रॉसवर्ड पझल सॉल्व करायचे आहे. आपल्याला क्लूज त्या ठिकाणी पुरवण्यात आलेले आहेत. So look at the puzzle and the answers are: number 1, forbid; number 2, reveal; number 3, encounter; number 4, pleasant; number 5, earnest; and number 6, resemble. आन्सर इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स अँड राईट इन युअर नोटबुक. तर आपल्या शब्दात या खालील प्रश्नाची उत्तरे आपल्याला लिहावायची आहेत. व्हॉट इलनेस डिड द सिस्टर सफर फ्रॉम, की त्यांच्या बहिणीला कसल्या प्रकारचा आजार झालेला होता. द सिस्टर सफर्ड फ्रॉम द ट्युबरक्लोसिस ऑफ स्पाइन. व्हॉट सरप्राइज्ड द नरेटर व्हेन ही सॉ द ब्रदर्स द सेकंड टाइम. द नरेटर सरप्राइज्ड टू सी that the boys is shining the shoes in the public square. What did the narrator find about the boys at the hospital, की हॉस्पिटलमध्ये नरेटरला त्या दोन भावंडाबद्दल काय माहिती मिळाली. The narrator found that their father was killed in the war and their home was destroyed in the war. Their sister was suffering from tuberculosis of spine. They lived in a shelter and literally starved so that they could pay for their sister's treatment. What was the touching story told by the nurse? So the answers of the previous question and this question is almost same. The nurse told the narrator their heart-rending story that their father was killed in the war, their home was destroyed in the war, their sister was suffering from tuberculosis of spine, they lived in a shelter and literally starved so that they could pay for their sister's treatment. If the narrator offered the boys a large amount of cash, would they have accepted it? Say why or why not. की जर लेखकाने त्यांना एक मोठी रक्कम देऊ केली असती तर त्यांनी ती स्वीकारली असती का. स्वीकारली असती तर का स्वीकारली असती, आणि स्वीकारली नसती तर का स्वीकारली नसती. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द बॉयज वुड नॉट हॅव accepted a large amount of cash from the narrator because they were leading their life with self-respect and dignity. They were ready to do numerous kinds of things day and night to pay their sister's treatment. They did not want anyone to pity them, so they did not accept a large amount from the narrator. की ते अतिशय सन्मानाचं जीवन जगत होते आणि आपल्या बहिणीच्या उपचारासाठी लागणारी रक्कम हाती पडेल ते काम करून मिळवण्याची त्यांची तयारी होती. त्यामुळं जरी लेखकाने अशा प्रकारची कोणती मोठी रक्कम त्यांना देऊ केली असती तरी माझ्या मते त्यांनी ती स्वीकारली नसती. Read the following text and find the nouns form of the following words used in the text. या खाली जे तुम्हाला दिलेत त्यांचे nouns form या ठिकाणी लिहायचे आहेत. Important, importance, dedicate, dedication, treat, treatment, amplify, amplification, narrate, narration, realize, realization, eager, eagerness आणि appear, appearance. So activities from language study. We have already learned that clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb and is a part of larger sentence. की तुम्हाला माहितीच आहे की क्लॉज आपण यापूर्वी शिकलेला आहे की क्लॉज म्हणजे अशा शब्दांचा समूह की ज्याच्यामध्ये एक कर्ता असतो, एक क्रियापद असते आणि तो एका मोठ्या वाक्याचा भाग असतो. इन द सेंटेन्स वी रिटर्न होम वेन स्कूल वॉज ओव्हर. आता या ठिकाणी there are दोन clauses दिलेले आहेत. So there are two clauses in the above sentence. Number 1, we return home, and number 2, when school was over. The first one makes complete sense, so it is called main or principal clause. की जे पहिला जो clause आहे we return home हा एक अर्थाच्या दृष्टीने परिपूर्ण असा शब्दसमूह आहे. म्हणून अर्थाच्या दृष्टीने परिपूर्ण असणाऱ्या शब्दसमूहांना आपण मेन क्लॉज किंवा प्रिन्सिपल क्लॉज असं म्हणतो. आणि when school was over, the second one is not complete by itself. It depends on the main clause to convey a proper sense. हा जो दुसरा क्लॉज आहे तो इंडिपेंडेंट आहे, डिपेंडेंट आहे. म्हणजे त्याला स्वतःचा अर्थ स्वतः व्यक्त करता येत नाही. त्याला कुठेतरी आपला अर्थ व्यक्त करण्यासाठी त्या मेन क्लॉजवर डिपेंड राहावं लागतं. सो इट इज कॉल्ड डिपेंडंट और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. म्हणूनच याला डिपेंडंट किंवा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज असं म्हणतो. म्हणजे गौण म्हणजे कमी महत्त्वाचा. व्हॉट इज द जॉइनिंग वर्ड अँड इट इज कॉल्ड वेन इज द जॉइनिंग वर्ड अँड इट इज कॉल्ड अ सबऑर्डिनेटर. आणि मेन क्लॉज आणि सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज जोडण्याचं काम ज्या शब्दाने केलेलं आहे त्याला आपण सबऑर्डिनेटर असं म्हणतो. Identify the main principal clause and subordinate clause and encircle the subordinator. या ठिकाणी मेन क्लॉज, प्रिन्सिपल क्लॉज किंवा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज और डिपेंडंट क्लॉज इनसर्कल करायचे आहे आणि त्या ठिकाणी यातलं जे काही सबऑर्डिनेटर आहे ते सुद्धा आपल्याला इनसर्कल करायचं आहे. दे पे फॉर देअर सिस्टर्स ट्रीटमेंट हू सफर्स फ्रॉम ट्युबरक्लोसिस. मेन क्लॉज दे पे फॉर देअर सिस्टर्स ट्रीटमेंट. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज हू सफर्स फ्रॉम ट्युबरक्लोसिस अँड सबऑर्डिनेट हू. When he asks the nurse, she tells him their story. Answer. Main clause, she tells him their story. Subordinate clause, when he asks the nurse, and subordinate, when. They have shown that the war has not shaken their spirit. Answer. They have shown, main clause, that war has not shaken their spirit. Subordinate clause, subordinate that. Although it doesn't come in the narrator's way, he takes them there. Answer. He takes them there is the main clause. Although it doesn't come in the narrator's way हा subordinate clause आणि subordinate कोणता आहे यातला? Although.